Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm setting up my planner for October. I have this new sticker book that releases today from KellofaPlan. If you watch my setup videos, I tend to use KellofaPlan's Bill Basics sticker books because I love that there's a variety of colors for me to use to color code my monthly. If you've been interested in getting one of these books, because I believe the one I've been using recently has been out of stock, like they haven't restocked that one. They did a couple of restocks, but then I think, now the new one's out. This is the one that they will be carrying right now. But this one is going to be releasing today. So if you wanted to get one of these Bill Basics sticker books, today is the day to pick it up. It's a really, really good book. I'm going to be using this one in this video. There's also this other sticker book, which is really good too, that has a little mixture of, has some of the Bill Basics stickers. There's some little categories here and then some cute, I kind of want to use these because these are fun little icon stickers, and yeah, some really cute sticker books. There's a planner that's coming out, and there's some other like budget related paper. So definitely check out KellofaPlan. I have my link down in the description. This releases today. By the time this video is up, it'll have already been released, so definitely go check out that link. But in this video, I'm going to be setting up my planner and then setting up some of the things in my binders. So first thing I want to do is I have some things printed out. I have these printables here that I actually made myself. If you're on my Patreon, you have access to these as a download and you can print them yourself. That's where I have them right now, but these I like to, I really didn't need to print more of these, but I'm just going to add them here. I always try to restock this every month as I need it. So I have some unstuffing sheets. I still have some that are already printed here. Okay, so I have those, and then I need to put in some new cash planning sheets and sinking funds trackers. So let's go here and add these in. I just printed these out. They're double-sided, so the printables that I have on my Patreon, you can print them front and back, which is nice. And then I have both the sinking funds tracker and then the cash planning. I printed out 3 of each front and back, so that gives me 6 weeks worth, but I obviously won't need 6 weeks, but I'll need at least 4 or 5 for the month. But I like to always have these printed out ready to go for me to cash plan and cash stuff with. Okay, so those are in their spots. Now I get to do the fun part, which is use this new sticker book. I'm excited because it's October and I'm going to do a Halloween color scheme, which I'm excited for. I love seasonal stuff, so I like to seasonally theme my color coding based off of that. And so since we're in October, I'm going to do like pink, purple, black, orange, pink, purple, black, orange, and maybe 2 pinks or 2 oranges. I don't know. But that's the color scheme. That's the Halloween color scheme that I like. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's do pink first. I'll do this light pink here. So basically, oh, I forgot something actually. A couple things I want to do. I actually want to move. No, I'll move this later. I need to grab my bill sheet. Where is it? This one right here. My bills. This is what I use to reference. This is also a printable on my Patreon. So this has all my bills that I like to put down here on this sheet. So first one is going to be rent, which actually is, yeah, we'll just make it pink or orange. Okay, let me see how many oranges I have in here. That one, although I don't really care for that orange. This is a good orange. I like this orange more. Maybe I'll do 2 kinds of pinks. Okay, I'm just gonna do 2 kinds of pinks. So first one up is the first. That is rent. Okay, and then once it's actually paid, I'll write in the actual amount that I paid there. And that'll tell me that that's done, that's paid for. Next bill is Cox, which is my internet. So that one's here. And then I don't have one until the 8th. So for me, I get paid at my full-time job every Tuesday. So on every Tuesday I reset. That's a new pay period for me. And then a new color coding for me in this and how I like to do this. So I'm gonna grab the orange. Which orange? I like this one. This orange here. And the next bill will be the 8th. So that's here. And then that is apple. And then this is a new pay period. Oh, I didn't notice. Okay. So she included 2 kinds of script for the payday. There's a regular script and then a more handwritten, like scripty script. I don't know. 2 styles of fonts, basically. Okay, but I like the regular one. Cursive, that's what I'm thinking of, cursive. Couldn't think of the word. Okay, so that's the new pay period is on that day. And then let's see, what's my next bill? I have 2 on the 11th, which is still within this orange pay period. So I'm gonna grab 2 more orange here and stack them. Okay, so these are Geico and SDG&E. So that's my car insurance and my electricity. Okay, next bill is the 15th, which is a new pay period. So now I get to grab a new color, which I'm thinking I should do purple. Let's do a pretty purple. Okay, so purple's the next one. So that's the 15th. I need 2 on the 15th, stacked on top. Okay, so that's Verizon and Zoom. And then that's a new pay period. Here. Payday. All right, next color is gonna be black, but I still have some more purples, I think. Okay, 16th is purple. That's dental. Then the 19th, which is still within the purple pay period. So here, this is my magic key, my pass to Disney. Magic key. And then the 22nd is a new pay period, so I'm gonna grab black for that. This black one. See, that's why this book's awesome, because I have lots of color options in here. All right, so black, which is the 22nd, right here. And that is rent insurance. And that's a new pay period. So I'm gonna grab one of the payday stickers here. Okay, cuteness, love it. Okay, and then next we have the 24th. So I need 2 black stickers here. One and 2. So those bills are Spotify and Instagram. Okay. And then my last bill is on the 30th, so that's a new pay period. And I think I'll do, maybe I'll just do, I'll do this pink. Or should I do orange? I feel like orange is more Halloween. Although the orange, it's not super different. and that orange. Decisions. We'll do this orange. Okay, so it'll be this one here. Okay, and this one is Adobe. And that's a new payday. Right here. Okay, that works. It's a cute Halloween theme. All right, so those are all my bills. These bills are annual subscriptions, so I don't have those. I won't have to worry about those until February of next year. So I'm good on that. But there's one more thing I wanted to try out just in this book, because there's some fun like stickers in here that maybe I could add in. We'll see how these work because I haven't used them. So there's some like icon stickers in here that are associated with like certain bills. So I'm gonna use these. Like this one says house rent. So we're just gonna put a little, you know, make it a little fun and put a cute sticker there. Why not? Okay, and then next, okay, I have an electricity one. So that will be for SDG&E. Where can I put it? I probably should have thought of this before I did this, but we're just gonna stick it here. It's just a little light bulb, which is cute. Okay, and then what else can I use? Internet. There's a little internet sticker, which is this one right here. Little internet sticker there. Okay, and then let's see what else we got. Those are the only ones. I don't have credit card, I don't have car payment, I don't have gas. Don't have water. Well, I have water, but it's connected, it's with my rent, so don't have to worry about that as a separate bill. Okay, those are the only ones I can add. I just wanted to add them in because I just wanted to try them out. Okay, it's cute. All right, so those are the books. These two are releasing today. All right, so let me put this back in my planner since my monthly is now all set up for October. October section here. And then we'll put this in here. It's a cute Halloween theme. So I love that. And then this has great colors for fall. Like these would be cool to use for fall. For Christmas, I would do like the red and pinks. Ooh, I love red and pink. Is there green in here? Yeah, there's some green. There's green. So yeah, lots of options. Love the options. Okay, so that is it for my planner. That is all set up. Now, the next thing I want to do is, savings challenges. Okay, so have some savings challenges that I need to update. Well, I'm not done yet with these. I still have one more cash stuffing for this month, and then I'll be able to use these new ones. But this is the new October one. This is another thing I'm restocking in my restock coming up. Did I mention that already? I don't think I mentioned it, but I have another video coming out later today that's going to talk about it. But I am restocking these next week. So October savings challenge with the cute little pig with that witch hat. This will be my new one for this month or for October. And then this is my new, this is an old, but I've used this before. But this is the $5 savings challenge. I'm going to go back to this one, the treat one. These are also going to be restocked. Actually, I don't know if they're out of stock right now, but if they are, they'll be restocked. Okay, I wanted to try out, I'm going to do this one still because I really love, this is going to be a new item I'm releasing next week. I have two versions. I have a glossy and a matte one. I'm gonna try out the matte. I mean, they're the same thing, but I just want to like aesthetically try it out. So this one's the glossy one. I feel like if you want to cross things out, the glossy one's perfect for that. But if you want to use it the way I've been using it, where you're just using it to figure out which one you're gonna be saving for, the matte one's a good option too, because I don't plan on crossing them out with like a marker. Okay, and then that's it for my challenges. Okay, and then the last thing I want to do is make sure that my trackers are good. So if they're too full, then I will replace them. This one, I think I have enough for that one. This one, I'm gonna replace this one. Okay, and I have some right here. Let's do emergency. I have 2,803 emergency, but I'm also gonna write here just a note that I took out 527 because I want to put this back with another savings challenge. So I'm just gonna write that note. I use that to pay for some auto repairs. So I just wanted to keep that note on there for emergency. Okay, extra savings is good. That one's good. Okay, I'll do this one month ahead. Oops, wrong one. Month ahead. I have 1364 in this one. Okay, that's good. I'll do Scentsy. I have 36 in this one. Okay, subscriptions, we'll get a new one. I have 110. Alright, sounds good. Next one. That one's fine. Good, good, good. Okay, I'll do household. Household has 10. Okay, those are good. And then one more binder. That one's good. Okay, I'll do Christmas. This has a 950. It's almost time to bring out my Christmas envelopes. I have envelopes for every single person that I buy gifts for, and so it's almost time to bring those out. I actually have to get them out of storage. Holiday decor is good. All right, so those were all the trackers that I wanted to update. All right. So that is it. That is my budget setup video for October. Again, if you're interested in purchasing these books, they're available now. My link is down in the description. Definitely check that out if you want to pick up these books. I feel like this one tends to sell out pretty quick. So definitely grab this one if you've been eyeing this one, or a version of this one in the past that I've used. But yeah, this one's a really good one. They're all good, but I absolutely love this Spell Basics one. Super handy. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.